Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat. Now the exterior color is a shadow black, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our LED low beam headlamps as well as our LED daytime running lights with a pair of fog lamps and 2 tow hooks and an engine block heater connection. Over at the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Goodyear tires, as well as we have our power deployable running boards and our chrome mirror caps with our chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top, we have our twin panel moonroof, and this Lariat also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection as well as a trailer hitch. We also have a spare fifth wheel underneath, as well as our reverse sensors are paired to our backup camera. We also have our LED taillights, as well as a power deployable tailgate. And inside our box, we have our LED lighting with our tie-down points, as well as a spray and bed liner. And at our rear window, we have an embedded defroster with our power slide feature. At our interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage for drivers, as well as ambient lighting with power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as power windows, power adjustable and foldable mirrors, with our blind spot information system. And over at our steering column, we have our LED lighting for under our mirrors, our automatic headlamp dial, our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings. And over to the right, we have our hands-free and entertainment and volume controls. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming review mirror with our cabin lights, our 3 garage opener points, and our twin panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have 101,336 kilometers on our beautiful F-150. And over at our sync display, we have audio control, climate control, phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as we can watch the preview of our reverse camera. And underneath we have our controls for our display, as well as our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout our entire cabin, as well as air conditioned and heated seats for both driver and passenger. As well as we have our CD insert, and to the left we have our forward drive engagement with an integrated trailer braking system, as well as a trailer backup assist. And to the right we have a 12-volt adapter and AC outlet. And underneath in our cubby storage we have a 12-volt adapter with dual smart charging USB ports. And at our console shift we have our manual select option at 6 different speeds with our dual cup holders, and our center console with loads of storage underneath and 2 cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage with more ambient lighting, as well as power windows and more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have an AC outlet with our dual heated seats, as well as a 12-volt adapter and dual ventilation. And at our second row, we have our 60-40 bench seating arrangement, which leaves us with tons of legroom and loads of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.